Welcome to Pimp My Mini Camper. My name is Frank. I like to go camping with my everyday vehicle, and I want to share with you the tips and tricks that make mini campers real fun. Today I want to talk to you about my camping box. I have chosen to build out of aluminum profiles and why I took this choice. Follow me and copy with pride. Why do I suggest to build your camping box out of these aluminum profiles? 1. They are light. 2. They are very strong and stiff. 3. They are straight and cut to the millimeter. And 4. They are reusable in case you want to do something else in the future. And 5, if you buy them pre-cut, you only need an electric screwdriver and a 2.5 millimeter hexagon bit to build up your camping box. To optimize the usable space in width, I chose the slimmest possible profile you get for the aluminum profiles. It's the 20i type with nut number 5. It has a width of just 2 centimeters, but is available in different heights. So for the most solicited parts, I chose the 20x60 millimeter cross section, while for the rest I chose the 20x40 millimeter cross section. To reduce the height and protect the mattresses and the trunk carpet, I chose the 20x10 millimeter cross section that has the groove only on one side. In the transversal direction, I use L-shaped mounting brackets, these here, to keep the tunnels for the drawers as open as possible. While in the longitudinal direction, I use the stronger triangular mounting brackets. From an assembly point of view, this makes no difference. Just insert the sliding block in the groove and block the bracket in the correct position with the screwdriver. Don't forget to reduce the torque of the electric screwdriver. Now let's have a look to the details of my camping box. My camping box is 1.16 meters in width. It just fits into my Peugeot Rifter. It is 42 centimeters in height and 75 in length. The two drawers you see here have a usable height of 38 centimeters. The center one, this one here, is for my compressor fridge. I have a Dometic Cool Freeze CF35, which just fits in. On the left I have here my kitchen, a drawer system as well, and it has this flip lid, so it is also a windshield. What you see attached here are simple magnetic pads attached to one of these diver noodles, which I keep attached while driving to prevent the drawers from opening when accelerating. The upper section is a bed, so it develops into 1.95 meters in length and the mattress is 1 meter and 12 wide. The middle section is 45 centimeters, while the top section is another 75 centimeters. So the total is 1 meter and 95 and sleeps comfortably my wife and myself. Here you see a nice detail of the aluminum profiles as they do build up together. What you see is the connection is a blackboard hinge, which are the biggest hinges I could find on the market. To block the camping box to the vehicle, I use dog leashes. They are easily assemblable, so you can block them to the vehicle, and by this simple system you can pull them straight to avoid the system to move while you use it for sleeping or during driving, or let's hope it never happens, in an accident. This is how the system looks like from the other side. The bed slats are made of wood and simply screwed to the system. As choosing these dimensions for the camping box, as you can see, we have still plenty of space to store our clothing and whatever you want to take with you when camping. Between the camping box and the back seats fit 2 big transparent IKEA boxes and 3 small of these boxes, while the seats can be placed in the normal driving position, and you have space for 5 people. The bed rests on a swimming noodle, which is put between the seat to protect it from scratches and cuts, and the bed structure itself. Now, how comes this camping box has exactly these dimensions? It is a compromise. What you try to maximize is the livable space. That means from the ceiling of the car till the mattress where you sleep needs to be maximized. On the other hand, the only thing you cannot change is the dimension of the fridge. So you start from the dimension of the fridge and minimize the air that is between the drawer and the lid of the fridge. So in my case, it's only a few millimeters that are between the lid of the fridge and the upper structure of my box. That leaves us sufficient space for the livability and the sleeping. The second most important dimension is the flap mechanism of the bed. I'll show you in a minute, because obviously you should be able to open your bed and put it away again without any problem. So also this is optimized in these dimensions. So when I want to flip open the bed, obviously I'm not sitting in the car like I am now, because we are in 2, so we open the 2 side doors and 1 on each side is we are able to do that very fast and simply. Now you do not see the mattresses on the bed. Normally we keep them on there. It's just today for the demo that I have taken them away. So the first thing I have to do, I just push down the upper structure pull it in front and hook one side of the onto these safe strongholds which I have here. Once this is done, I can do the same on the other side when I'm alone, and then the whole structure slides into position. And here you see how the 1.95 m by 1.12 m sleeping space for 2 people has opened. Pretty quick, pretty simple. So this is how the bed looks like when in its position. We have the belt tensioners here in the front that hold the front end of the bed. Here we have the blackboard hinges that do allow the flapping of the bed. The bed slats in the front part are of wood, while in the back part we have the aluminum profiles with the groove only on one side that make the bed slats. Here is visible the other hinge. Looking to this from the back of the car, you can see the entire dimension of the bed when open. So we do sleep comfortable and have quite a space to the roof. This is all for now. Enjoy and copy with pride. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, please click the subscribe and the like button. Copy the ideas and optimize your own mini camper. Copy with pride. All the best.